Installing a Mustache style engine guard. Here's the hardware on a 2020 Iron 1200 Sportster. We're gonna need to remove those two torque or star or whatever you want to call them. These two bolts right here. I removed the original, the stock horn. That's why that looks like that. That way it was getting in the way. So we're gonna have to remove those two. When you're ready to assemble this next step, you're gonna need two sets of hands. Those two bolts that you loosened up at the top, you're gonna go ahead and retighten. And the kit comes with its own screws, which go down here on the bottom. You're gonna need to push these brake lines up just a tad, you know, just so it clears. For the last step, you just need to put these rubber pads in place. They just slip on right over. And there you have it.